Cafe Racer 152 cash price. 58,800 pesos down payment. 2,500 pesos description. Features. Front wheel disc brake sleek and classy design, bright headlight, available colors. Glossy black matte green engine. Engine type 4-stroke. Single cylinder bore and stroke 62 by 49.05 displacement 149 cc compression ratio 9.3. 1 fuel system carburetor cooling system air transmission 5-speed dimensions and capacity. LXW XH1916 X700 X1012 ground clearance 160 m fuel capacity 12L dry weight 110 kg frame. Frame type UNDERBONE front suspension telescopic fork rear suspension telescopic coil spring oil damp front wheel 2.5017 rear wheel 90/90 17 front brakes disc brake rear brakes drum brake performance. Max output 8.5 kilowatts, 8,500 rpm max torque 11.1 Nm, 6,000 rpm. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. God bless to all heart.
Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.